guys, this video shows you how to fix high RAM usage in your PC. I have already uploaded similar video on similar topic, but the Windows is evolved so much that it was a requirement to upload another. So let's start. Step number 1. Step number 1 is to open Task Manager and then open Startup Services, and there will be some services enabled here. Disable all of them. It will speed up your PC. Step number 2. Step number 2 is to open Run and type msconfig. System configuration will open in front of you. Then in the services, hide all Microsoft services and then disable the services that are coming in front of you. And then apply and OK, and it is a requirement to restart. And step number 3. It is to search for registry editor, and in the registry editor in the HKey local machine, scroll down to system and search for undo service in the path I have shown to you. There's the undo service. Here in it, change the start value from 2 to 4. And in the same, search for session manager also. In the session manager, search for memory management and clear page file at shutdown, change the value to 1. Step number 4. It is to open services and disable some main service. This will speed up your PC. Just open the services and then search for sys main service. It will be in S section. Just disable that service and it will speed up your PC. Let's head on to last step. The last step is power and sleep setting. Just search for power and sleep setting in the search bar and open it. Here in it, click on additional power setting in the right and change it to high performance or ultimate performance if it is available. So this was all. Hope this will work for your PC. Subscribe to the channel for more tech